Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you what is endophthalmitis. Endophthalmitis is actually the inflammation of the intraocular structures or interior cavity of the eye. It is mostly caused by an infection and a possible complication of all intraocular surgeries, for example, extracapsular cataract extraction, and it can result in loss of vision or loss of the eye itself. What are the causes of endophthalmitis? The endophthalmitis is caused by exogenous causes mostly, for example due to microbial infection caused by staphylococci and other bacteria. It can also be caused by fungi, and it can occur as a result of cut to the eye during surgery or piercing of the eye by a foreign body. The most common surgeries that can lead to endophthalmitis or whose complications are endophthalmitis are extracapsular cataract extraction and other surgeries. Such cuts or openings make it more likely to spread the infection or make it more likely that the infection will travel inside the eyeball. So, what are the symptoms of endophthalmitis? It is obvious that there is infection, so there should be eye pain, and it keeps getting worse after surgery or any injection. For example, endophthalmitis can also be the complication of intravitreal injection. So after intravitreal injection, if you feel eye pain that keeps getting worse, so it can be a sign of endophthalmitis. Then you have red eyes, white or yellow pus or discharge from the eyes, swollen or puffy eyelids, and blurred vision or lost vision. So all of the intraocular structures here are involved. Furthermore, vitreous contains the exudates, and intraocular pressure is initially raised, but it starts decreasing because inflammatory reaction destroys the ciliary processes. Next, what are the signs? One, decreased visual acuity, lids edema. Here you can see lids are edematous. Conjunctiva shows congestion and chemosis, and cornea, here you can see, is edematous, and ring abscesses are formed in case of pseudomonal infections. Anterior chambers contain the inflammatory cells, and due to inflammatory cells and proteins there is aqueous flare. Hypopion, here you can see hypopion. In 86% of patients you can see hypopion. What is the treatment for this vision threatening condition? The treatment is intravitreal injection of antibiotics such as ceftazidime or vancomycin and imicacine, etc. If this is caused by a fungi, then antifungal medicine should be injected into the eye. You can also get a steroid to reduce swelling and inflammation caused by the infection. Systemic antibiotics have a limited role here, and pars plana vitrectomy, this is pars plana vitrectomy surgery can be done. Pars plana vitrectomy surgery can be done when these conservative treatments are not effective. This is all about endophthalmitis. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe.